So getting a left side bend. So bringing your left hand down towards your feet, if that makes sense. And then as you do this, bring your top right hand. There you go. Coming up and back. Try to get your abdominals going. And slowly get there. Right, you don't have to rush the right hand. Okay, so this one, opposite side, right hand's down, left hand is up. Bring your shoulder blades together. And then get the exhalation started. So you bring your rib cage down, but shoulder blades are together. Inhale, reach your arm back. Oh yeah, there you go. Now you're going. Make sure your right arm stays straight. You should feel your right tricep a little bit as you do this, right? Good. Straighten out your left arm also. There you go. Yeah.